So we were here playing the La Riva. You can control the wrist, you can control the ankle. And now what we did was this. We made an underhook under the ankle. We grab palm to palm. And now when I start stomping my foot to the mat, it will be impossible for Kenneth to face me again. Especially when I pull the heel towards my chest. Okay? You try to face me, Kenneth?
Yes.
Very difficult. Okay, and now from here, with my left foot, I make a nice hook behind the knee pit. Yeah? Now he's stuck on both sides. Can you move both sides? Impossible. And now I have some time to grab the hip and come up. Okay? And then from here, for the first backtake, we were pulling with the shoelaces. We were pulling him on top of the hips. And from here, now with this same foot, I was kicking him forwards into that direction. Here. I grab the hip, I grab the neck, I grab my seat belt. If you need to, you can crush your ankle, stretch him out, and put your other foot in. Okay, once again. So here, the La Riva underhook, stomp him down to the mat. Okay, place your left foot behind the knee pit, grab the hip. Now this is what would happen if I start to come right away up for the back. You will always run away. Yeah. So what I'm doing is this, I'm first pulling him on top of me. And then I kick him out and I take my seatbelt. Okay? But if he steps over that second hook, so if we're here, I grab this underhook, I push him down to the mat, I hook, but he steps over. Here. Okay, from here I come up to my foot. Yeah? I make a switch to the seatbelt and I pull him to my right. And I grab the back mount again. Okay?
Nou, deze niet.
Once again. From here, I make my hook, he steps over. I try to come up. Yeah, if he leans so much towards me, I can also just sit down right away. Yeah? Here. And again, I have the back mount.